Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry. I'm here at the Cell and Gene meeting on the Med in Barcelona. It's day one, and I'm delighted to be joined by Stephen Majors, who is the Director of Public Affairs for ARM, which is the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine, who are the organisers of this week's event. And I'm catching up with Steve just to find out more about ARM and the event itself. So Stephen, first of all, it's lovely to see you. How are you?
Yes, thank you so much. Great, how are you?
I'm very well. Now, I know it's day one. Has this turned out to be everything you expected it to be, first of all? Because I know it's always a bit of a trauma putting an event together, leading to particularly a big one.
Well, you'd have to ask our events team, but from what I can tell, they're doing a great job. The event's going really well. This is the first time we've been able to hold this conference in person since 2019, which was our first meeting on the Med. So it's really great to be back here in person. We have more attendees than we expected. I think we're in the 600 or so range, so it's really, really great to see.
Brilliant. Well, we'll talk a bit more about the event in a second, but for those people not familiar with the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine, would you mind giving viewers a quick overview of the organisation?
Sure. We're the leading international advocacy organization for the cell, gene, and tissue-based therapy sector. We have about 425 members worldwide, and so these are both small and large therapeutic developers, patient advocacy organizations, academic and medical research institutions, and really a multi-stakeholder organization representing a broad set of viewpoints across the sector, kind of all united toward bringing, hopefully, functional cures or at least durable treatments for a range of both prevalent and rare diseases.
Brilliant. Now, for those who aren't aware, Cell and Gene meeting on the MESA, which is the main event in the USA, has been going for a number of years. I know, obviously, we're just talking before we start recording that obviously Cell and Gene is very in vogue at the moment. There's lots of events, but you've actually been running your Cell and Gene events for many, many years. Is that correct?
Yes. So ARM's been around since 2009, and we started meeting on the Mesa right around the same time. So it's been going on for, I guess, 12 years or so now. So quite a while. It is the largest event for cell and gene therapy sector in the world, as far as we know. Meeting on the Med is growing. It's a little bit smaller, but it's growing pretty fast, and we're hoping to have the same success event-wise in Europe as we do in the US.
Right. Now, looking at this event, I mean, what are some of the highlights then? You know, and for those who've not been to this event, this is the first time I've been, what makes this different to other types of events out there?
Yeah, so I think we have a great blend of issues that we discuss on our panels that really cut across all the things that impact the cell and gene therapy sector. So there is discussions about patient engagement. There are policy discussions about the numerous policy issues that are happening right now in Europe that will affect the sector for years to come. There are more than 60 presentations from the leading public and private companies in the space. There are partnership opportunities so that investors and developers can get together and discuss potential partnerships to bring therapies to patients. And so there's something for everyone at this conference.
Brilliant. Now, this event runs, I know, till the 22nd, but you just mentioned, obviously, the event in the Mesa. So when is that?
Mm-hmm. That is in October, and it's in Carlsbad, just outside San Diego. That meeting's always in October. This meeting at the Med is always in April. And so as soon as this event ends, the events team will be busy planning meeting on the Mesa. So we hope to see everyone there.
Fantastic. Well, final question for you. For those people who aren't here, how can they get more information about ARM and your future events?
Sure. So you can go to meetingonthemed.com for the Med meeting. You can go to meetingonthemesa.com for meeting on the Mesa. You can also go to alliancerm.org, which is our organization's website, and you'll find a range of information there, as well as our very recently released annual report for 2021, which really tells the full story of what's happening in this really exciting sector.
Yeah, well, I know that's been shared on LinkedIn quite a few times already by various companies as well, so people should look out for that as well. So Stephen, thank you very much for taking time to talk to me. I know it's a very busy schedule for you today and tomorrow, so I hope the rest of the event goes very well. There you go, viewers. If you'd like to know more about the Cell and Gene meetings, both on the Med and in the Mesa, then check out the web links which will be above the video, and go and find out more about the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine by checking out their website as well. And all this, Stephen, thank you very much, and thank you, viewers. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.